What's up, chat? We're gonna start back running these on my channel. If I could keep up. But it is, well, we only got a couple more days to run it because school finna be out. But it's pretty much 3 o'clock. Y'all know we kind of do like, I'm on an hour countdown. My head is hurting, bro. Like, y'all know we kind of do like, I'm on an hour countdown till my baby get out of school, see how much stuff I could get did. In the meantime, in between time, right now it's like 3:07 or something like that. He don't officially get out of school till 3:30. So we got a little extra couple minutes. I've been at home all day. I haven't went to sleep. I should have went to sleep. Now I'm tired as all get out and my head is hurting. But I've cried. I've been depressed, lost in love, scared to die, still survive. God, please tell me why. Will I become a better person? Do I got a greater purpose? Do I got a greater purpose? Will I become a better person? Tell me why your phone ain't never working when I need you the most. Okay, anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna try to see what I can do. I got the stove cooked. I got the deep fryer on because I'm gonna fry some chicken and some fries. I'm starving. I tried to eat some sardines this morning. It didn't really go well because I put too much hot stuff in it. So yeah, that's that. Let's stop rambling. I'm gonna see what I can get done in the meantime, in between time.
You will be amazed at how much you can get done in just 5 minutes.
Okay, the next thing we're doing, we successfully cleaned up the living room. The next thing we're doing is I rinse this chicken off. I'm gonna season it, put some flour on it, get ready to toss it in. I keep on running into stuff hitting my feet. And the flies are, what this is, garlic powder ain't open. Asian Trinity, onion, bell pepper, celery. And this is chicken rub, citrus pepper. Wet batter, but we're gonna try it. Do I put an egg in here? Need some more salt. Like I said, I never really made a wet batter, so we just gonna wing it. I'll let y'all know how it come out. The pickle juice was a good idea. Okay, this how it look right now. 5 minute mark. I don't even know if it's that wet, but we're gonna put it in there like that. And then you know they say season the flour. And look now. I'm gonna put it on 3. 25 today. Don't burn yourself like I'm doing. My hand getting wet on like that. You know, we just gonna do this thing. I also found out that it's best to just Oh, that's my mom. I gotta go. Hey, Teddy, go sit down. Don't worry about it.
Can you look at it?
We do not look our best today because we have to together because we only had 30 minutes to get dressed. I guess you say that's Uno excuse. What is my excuse if I've been home all day, right? Right. Okay, good. Anyways, we is on our...
I just got out.
Yeah, that's why I say you got an excuse. Mama don't have no excuse because I have been at home all day. But we on our way to the game. It's like 30 minutes away. So, yeah. We will see y'all when we get close. I'm pretty sure my baby want to watch the phone. Get this chicken right here and eat it. Where your ketchup at?
What's it?
Cool kid.